What's up, everybody? I don't even know how to say this. Look at my new refrigerator, right? Look at this crazy, great new refrigerator, right? Well, it's made by Whirlpool. I don't know who made it because it's made by Whirlpool. Now, I bought this from an appliance store in my local area, but it's an 18 point blah 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 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator, stainless steel model from Whirlpool. All right, here's the pictures I'm going to show you that when I was unpackaging it, all right, and putting it together. Look at that. That is the bottom of all the broken parts and drawers. Look inside here, all right? So, everything was broken. There was 3 of these shelves, or 4 shelves of these. 3 of them were broken and cracked. The bottom drawers were broken. The rod that holds it was broken. Missing parts. I don't know if you can even see that. Look at this. Nothing. Nothing. Whirlpool. So excited to buy a refrigerator. Now, when I look at reviews, I outweigh all the negative reviews right away, because unless a product has a lot of reviews and it's a low star rating. I did not buy it at Home Depot, so I'm not going to criticize Home Depot because I like Home Depot as a store. They had 3,000 on Home Depot's website, 3,748 reviews on this refrigerator model. 4 point blah 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 star. Out of those reviews, there's 184 that nobody liked. On top of this refrigerator, there's a seal. That's just foam, all right? Open foam. What's happening? And why am I making this video? Because I'm upset at the place I bought it from, all right? They delivered it to me. I opened up the box, unwrapped it, opened up the box, unwrapped it, started to put the shelves and everything together. To come to find out, everything was basically busted. I don't even want to turn it on. I don't even want to turn it on because I didn't even bother plugging it in because I'm afraid it's going to smoke. But the main reason why I'm buying this is you got to really be careful when you buy anything in appliances. Right on the bottom of the corner of this refrigerator, look at this. It's all cracked up and busted already. Brand new freaking refrigerator. Now, yes, I can order another one like this and take the risk of having all kinds of other problems, or go get something else. I'm going to get something else. So I go to my refrigerator store, appliance store that I purchased it at in my local area last night, which was Monday on, I don't even remember the date. Last night on April 12th. What do they tell me? Be leery of this. I bring them all the broken parts, and I walk in there and I said, I need you to come also pick up the refrigerator. And you took my other one. Now, and I took the doors off. Now I have no way to keep anything cold or any my food, so I had to throw it in the trash can because I had food in the coolers. They said, pick out any one of these refrigerators on the floor. We have them in stock right now, and we can deliver one to you on this coming up Friday. I said, what? I don't want to wait almost a week again to take the same chance that you're going to send me a refrigerator that's going to be broken. I said, you can come get this one this morning, right, and get me a different one. Well, other people purchased refrigerators throughout the weekend, Beast, since you were last here. So those are top priority now. What? They're top priority? Because I already purchased this? I would think that I would move up the list, right? Picture this. If you don't think this is correct, and you think that they're correct and I should wait till Friday, put it in the comments, alright? Or should I say F that store and go somewhere else and purchase another appliance from somewhere else? Now, if you are that one group that says you should just wait till Friday, alright, let's go into a restaurant and order a meal for breakfast, alright? You, me, and another couple, alright? So 4 of us walk into a restaurant, we all order breakfast. Yours comes out wrong, incorrect. So you send it back to the kitchen. The waitress comes back out and says, ma'am, I'm sorry. Everybody else that already sat down after you came in here, we ran out of all those items, so you're going to have to wait till the lunch hour to eat. Because the cooks have to make everybody else's food as they're walking in and forget about you. So you can sit here and watch everybody else eat your food. But at lunchtime, we'll serve you. Sounds crazy, right? Whirlpool stainless steel. I was really excited. I wanted to give a good review. I don't like to make videos on bad reviews. I would say that this one time, look at your freaking reviews. If there's a lot of negative reviews on something, even though there's a high star rating. Enough said. Enough said. Refrigerator, Whirlpool, brand new stainless steel refrigerator. I was so excited to actually quit microwaving my food in this fixer-upper house and take my microwave and turn it into an oven and make some pizzas instead of canned raviolis. Woo! And the big beast, he's sleeping. Yeah. First appliance for this house. And what a piece of junk. Beast out of here.